go for a chopper ride with Helispirit.
So it should be interesting. I haven't been in a helicopter for a while, so yeah.
Exciting.
Excited to see him.
Alright, we're with Gary and we're going to go and see the Bungle Bungles from the sky. What do you think we're going to see today?
We're going to see probably the best part of the world. So we're going to do the 18-minute, which will take us over essentially the start of the gorge, over Coalition, and then we'll do a couple of turns over Piccaninny Gorge, and then we'll see the actual beehive domes, which is what everybody's so excited about. So we'll do a couple of turns over there and show you how good the national park is here.
Sweet.
Alright.
Gary's just doing the safety checks, and we'll be up and away.
Well, that was our flight over the Bungle Bungles. What did you think?
It was awesome.
Yeah.
Any helicopter ride's good fun, but yeah, going over something like that is just unreal.